Welcome to your online mathematics class, students. So as we had already started exercise 9.2 and I have solved the difficult questions, so we will be solving more difficult questions. Now see question number 14. It says you have to insert 5 numbers. How many numbers? 5 numbers between 8 and 26 such that the resulting sequence is an AP. This means between 8, how many numbers you have to insert? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 26, between 8 and 26 such that the resulting sequence is an AP. So students, we know in an AP that we have common difference. Okay, so this means if I take this term as A, so this will be A plus D, this will be A plus 2D, this will be A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, and this will be A plus 6D, right? This we studied in an AP. If I take 1, 2, 3, 4, suppose if I take this sequence in an AP, the difference is constant. 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. That is why it is an AP, because the difference is constant. Difference is constant, that means it does not change. So that is why, see, if I subtract A plus D minus A, I will get D. If I subtract A plus 2D minus A minus D, so what will I get, students? This A cancelled, so D. So difference is constant, so I can take this as an AP. Now it is clearly given, so A plus 6D is equal to 26, and what is the value of A? 8. So I can write here 8 plus 6D is equal to 26. 6D is equal to 26 minus 8, which is equal to 26 minus 8 is 18. So what is the value of D? D is equal to 18 divided by 6, which is equal to 3. Now this value of 3 I can substitute in these terms. A I already know, 8. Okay, A is equal to 8 and D is equal to 3. So 8, right? 8 A plus D will be 8 plus 3, 11, right? 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 plus 3, 20, 20 plus 3, 23, and then we have 26. So which are the 5 numbers? So these are the 5 numbers. Okay, so these are the 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 numbers between 8 and 26 such that the resulting sequence is an AP. You can cross check, see here A plus 4D, or you see A plus 5D. A plus 5D is equal to 8 plus 5 into 3. So 8, 5, 3 is 15, 15 and 8, 23. Correct. Okay, so this is an easy question, nothing difficult. So in this way we can solve this question. Okay, so let me proceed with the other questions. Okay, the other question is question number 15, and yes, this is important also. It says if A raised to the power n plus B raised to the power n, okay, divided by A raised to the power n minus 1 plus B raised to the power n minus 1 is the AM. This is arithmetic mean between A and B. Okay, then find the value of n. You have to find the value of n. As I told students in the live classes, I had already explained arithmetic mean. Okay, if you remember, I had explained arithmetic mean. Okay, if I take A, capital A and B, and these 3 numbers are in AP, then this center number A is equal to A plus B by 2. So this I had explained, all this in detail I had explained. So this is what the concept we will be using. Okay, this means I can write now. This is the arithmetic mean between A and B. So A, I can write this, A raised to the power n plus B raised to the power n upon A raised to the power n minus 1 plus B raised to the power n minus 1 and B. If these 3, okay, as in AP, because this is given the arithmetic mean between A and B. Okay, so this means this is equal to A plus B by 2. So I can write this directly here. Okay, this is equal to, I'm writing here arithmetic mean. Okay, so I'm erasing this, so I'm writing directly here. This is equal to, okay, this is equal to A plus B by 2. Okay, this is equal to A plus B by 2. Okay, this is equal to A plus B by 2. Okay, because it is given that this is the arithmetic mean between A and B. So what is arithmetic mean? I had already explained. So this is a plus b by 2. Now I will cross multiply and solve. Cross multiply, so I will be getting here 2 raised to the power an plus 2 raised to the power bn is equal to an minus 1 plus bn minus 1 multiplied by a plus b. If I multiply by a here, students, so what will I get? A raised to the power n, right? Because this is, see here, a n minus 1 into a means this is a raised to the power n upon a into a. This n minus 1 I am splitting as like this. Okay, you're in 10th class now, you should know this, student. A n minus 1, I can write this as a raised to the power n upon a. Alright, so now this a n cancels, so what is left? A n. So this is what I am doing here. A multiplied by a raised to n minus 1 give me a n plus a b n minus 1. Similarly plus b a n minus 1 plus b raised to the power n plus b raised to the power n. b a n minus 1 multiplied plus b n minus 1 and b. So b in denominator will be cancelled, so I will be left with this. So this is equal to 2an plus 2bn. This an and this an will be subtracted, so I will get an. Okay, this bn and this 2b will be subtracted, so what will I get? Bn. Okay, is equal to a b n minus 1 plus b a n minus 1. So a n, okay, minus b a n minus 1 plus b n minus a b n minus 1 is equal to 0. So I am taking these two terms on the left and I am subtracting. Now if I take a raised to the power n minus 1 common, a raised to the power n minus 1 common. Okay, so what will be left inside? I will be getting a inside, right? Minus b. See carefully, students. If I am taking a raised to the power n minus 1 common, mark this step, okay? Because when I open this bracket, so what will be left? A raised to the power n, right? Minus ba n minus 1, correct. Similarly, plus b raised to the power n minus 1, I am taking common. So I will be left with b minus a is equal to 0. Okay, so if I have to take this a minus b, so I will take this minus here. I can write here a raised to the power n minus 1 into a minus b minus b raised to the power n minus 1 into a minus b is equal to 0. Mark this step, student. This is important. See here, this is plus. So I am writing now a minus b. So this minus will be out. Okay, that is why this minus sign here. Okay, so minus, and this will be minus a minus minus plus b, correct. Okay, now see, let me change the ink so it will be easy for you to differentiate. Now I have got a, okay, let me draw a line, a raised to the power n minus 1 into a minus b minus b n minus 1 into a minus b is equal to 0. I hope, students, till here everybody is followed. Okay, now I can take a minus b common, a minus b common, and here I have left with a raised to the power n minus 1 minus b n minus 1 is equal to 0. This is your rough work. Now see carefully, I cannot take a minus b not equal to 0, because, students, if a minus b will be equal to 0, here if this becomes 0, then anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. So you have to keep this in mind. You have to write here, because a minus b is not equal to 0. Okay, so now we have a n minus 1 minus b n minus 1, okay, is equal to 0. If I take this minus on the right side, it will be plus a n minus 1 is equal to b n minus 1. Are you following this, students? This is minus, alright, a raised to the power n minus 1 and minus b n minus 1. Alright, now if I divide, alright, if I divide, okay, students, so I can write this as a n minus 1 upon b n minus 1 is equal to 1. Now if I take common a upon b n minus 1, this one I can write as a upon b raised to the power 0, because anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So this 1 I am replacing as a by b raised to the power 0. And see, I am taking this a by b, n minus 1 is in both numerator and denominator, so I can write a upon b raised to the power n minus 1. Now since base are same, so I can equate the powers. Okay, guys, n minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is the value of n? N is equal to 1. Okay, so this is what the question is saying. You have to find the value of n. So see carefully, student. So in this way you will solve. Okay, and we are getting the value of n is equal to 1. Okay, so n is equal to 1. I hope you have followed, students. Anything not clear, go through it again. Okay, and go complete it question, write the steps, and any doubt you can always get back to me. Okay, so 1 or 2 questions are left of the exercise. You can try, students. In case you are not able to solve, okay, you are unable to solve, you can ask me and I will help you. So in this way you can complete this exercise. Alright, students, I hope you have followed. Nothing difficult, so be careful of here taking this common. A n minus 1 we are taking common. Okay, and this you cannot take equal to 0. Already explained this. Alright, and then we rewriting this 1 I can write as a divided by b raised to the power 0. Okay, so in this way you can solve this question. I hope you have followed. Alright, so study well and be disciplined, students.